Good afternoon, everyone. Well, I have a beautiful saw to show you today. This is for one of my Remington saws. This is the Remington Mighty Mite 500. Beautiful, beautiful little saw, and I was really attracted to some of the smaller garden saws because they shared an awful lot of characteristics with several other makers of saw as well. So primarily because they all shared the same engines, and so this saw, for instance, is the Mighty Mite 500. So that's a 2.3 cubic inch engine, and launched in 1977. And of course the Poulan Pro, the Super Micro, which is the 38cc variation, was launched in 77 as well. So, and a couple of subtle differences. So whereas the XXV had a mag alloy chassis, this one from Remington had an ABS type plastic chassis, and whereas you had double carb adjustment screws on the Super XXV, this one only has a low adjustment idle screw, and the high speed setting is fixed by the carburetor. Chain braked, one of the other versions non-chain braked. So this one's fitted with a 16-inch guide bar. So this is the original Remington guide bar. It's got a very sharp, or a nice condition, Oregon 3/8 pitch low pressure. Hi again, guys. So I walked back to start the saw, and then the camera had run out of power and had switched off. So I can't quite remember where I got up to, and I've been waylaid with a bit of work. So so to recap, this is the Remington Mighty Mite 500, 38cc's, 16-inch guide bar, Oregon chain, which looks in great condition. So I've never cut with this saw, and it's going up for sale as a vintage saw, which requires some work. It typically starts well, and then I've noticed for the last month or so it's becoming a little bit more difficult to start, so please bear that in mind. Kill switch might require a bit of choke. Off. A bit of throttle lock. So I don't know how clear that is on the video. It's a tiny bit of hesitation and just a little bit unhappier than normal while ticking over. So I'll quickly show around with the camera. It's amazing how dark it's got. It was only light about half an hour ago. So there's the original Remington sprocket-nosed 16-inch guide bar. It's a genuine Oregon chain, and fitted with a chain brake that's working. No damage on any of the housing, just normal wear and tear and scratches, etc. Both top fuel, oil, automatic oiler, throttle lock, choke, kill switch obviously working. Little serial numbers and badges all intact, which is nice. Has the outer chain guide plate, which is ever so rare to see them with that, even if you ever see these for sale. Okay, I shall attempt a restart. Like I say, she's been temperamental, So whoever, if anybody's interested and you end up buying, then please bear in mind that, you know, this is an old girl, you know, she's approaching 42 years old, and it's going to require a little bit more TLC to set up to make it work perfectly again. Kill switch, which is strange because it's been running, it's got great compression, it's got a great spark, so I don't know whether or not the carburettor needs cleaning. As I say, it's a single needle carburettor, and so just the low idle adjust, the top end is done. And to prove me wrong, it's going to start fine. Or maybe not. Okay guys, thanks for watching. So that's my Remington Mighty Mite 500. Like I say, she's got a slight hesitancy and reluctance to start. And any questions, anyone wants to come and take a look, please just message and I'll do my best to answer. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Bye for now.